start with some deep, calm, comfortable breaths. Calm down your nervous system and relax your body. Use the breath to bring your awareness to your non-physical nature. Calm, gentle breaths. And now bring your awareness to your spiritual intention. Feel the elevated emotion. Attune with the good feeling quality. With each breath you take, bring your awareness deeper and deeper into alignment. Feel the elevated emotion. And as you rest in that good feeling quality, sense the space of the center. Sensing the space from the earth through the tail to the crown. Calm, gentle breaths as you center in your intention. Now imagine a small ball of bright white energy shining down at the base of the spine. A small ball of bright white light, like the size of a marble. Now as you breathe in, softly draw up to rise this light up through to the crown. As you breathe out, gently release. Now in your own time and in your own rhythm, breathing in to rise, breathing out to release. Centering in your intention, infusing the spirit into the center. Now slowly spread the sensing from the center into the whole body. Sensing the back, belly and chest. Sensing the neck and the head. The arms, legs, hands and feet. Sensing the space in alignment with frequency, energy, vibration. Centered in your intention, sensing the space, rising the quality of energy within your system. Now, from above the crown, start to sink down. Like a shower of energy washing down through the skull, face, eyes, cheeks, jaw, tongue and neck. Sinking down through the shoulders, chest, back and belly. Down through the arms, forearms and hands, sinking through the whole upper body. Continue to sink down through the hips, thighs, knees, calves, shins and feet, sinking through the entire space. As you sink the energy down through your system, start now to sink emotionally. Let go of all forms of upset, fears, doubts, blame, complaint, resentment, anger, doubt. Let any force or resistance wash out of your system. Centered in your intention, sensing the space, sinking, dissolving, releasing. And now see the light from the center. See it spreading, expanding to fill the whole etheric body. See yourself standing in a body of light. Now, see a line of light in front of you. A line just like your own center. Feel, sense, and see the flow of energy through your center and to that line. Softly focus on the center plane. Focus on this line of power flowing through your center, connecting you to that line in front of you. Centered in your intention, feeling good, sensing the space, sinking, releasing, letting go. Consciously aware of the line of power, energy flowing through your center and to your point of focus in front of you. Bring the state into our training today. And use it throughout your daily life, however you wish. Open your eyes when you're ready.